First and foremost, thank you so much for responding to our independent research survey recently conducted. You've given us the challenges that your organisations face, and we're here to share with you how technology can support. I'm Adam Wales from Axis Communications UK and Ireland, and I'm here with my colleague
Gabriele Mangiafico, domain expert for smart manufacturing in Axis. So you've told us that 50% of organizations see a rising operational cost as the main operational challenge. And that's understandable also because costs lie in inefficiencies and lies in the physical context and physical environment where these inefficiencies happen. What's lacking in manufacturing is not a source of data or operational data. So what's actually lacking is visual operational context to understand what's happening before and after an event and a deviation.
Absolutely. Now, rather unsurprisingly, 96% of organisations have security technology for security objectives. But what is surprising is that only 43% of organisations are using that data for something outside of security. And when you look at the numbers, 39% see that security tech is going to be critical in delivering against digital transformation objectives for the next 3 to 5 years.
The second most relevant operational challenge you have told us is consistent quality and compliance in operations. 49% of respondents identified this as a main operational challenge. And this is totally understandable, in particular in regulated environments and segments like pharmaceutical production and food and beverage. But this actually applies to all segments in manufacturing, and visual technology and visual data can help improve in these processes by identifying hygiene issues, process adherence issues, safety anomalies, and deviations from processes.
And naturally, whenever you speak around industrial environments, health and safety isn't far from your mind. 37% of respondents told us that they're unsure or haven't even considered how security technology can support objectives in tackling health and safety, turning information from reaction into proactive and preventative solutions.
We've talked about challenges and solutions, but what's striking in the research is that 45% of you identify significant potential for visual data and visual technology to improve operations beyond physical security. And that's where Axis and its ecosystem can play a huge role in that.
If you've enjoyed this content and you recognise some of the challenges within your own organisation, then get in touch with the links below, because we'd love to have a conversation and support you in starting your journey.